guys, we did it. Wrapped this field up today. Went ahead and went out there, and I guess I'm gaining a little bit of stamina on the yellow jackets. I made a pass by them. Of course, they're everywhere, but I said, well, whatever. I armed myself with 2 cans of bee spray as we drove by them, so each pass I got further away. I think I got a drone shot, if you can see it in there, close up of them. Did that mainly to show you guys and know where they are, so I can come back with a little bit of be gone, if you will. But I'm tickled. I can't really complain. I have no idea what I'm doing. I definitely got better over, you know, of course, the 2 or 3 days plowing. The plow parts are wore, and I think that presented a big problem. We still got a lot of roots and stumps in there that I told you guys about. It's going to be a nightmare. I think you saw the bottom on another video, but I'm going to wrap this one up with part 2 of the plowing that we're finished, and then I'll probably put the rest of the tillage, the offset and finish disc and harrow and root rake and all that. I'll probably kind of combine that on one video, maybe 2. It just depends on how involved we get. I don't want to bore you guys too much. And yes, I left a lot of spots on the end. Right here's one. Didn't seal them in very well. Some places I'm going to have fun when I jump this terrace when I'm disking, but we're learning, guys. We're learning. That's the only way I'm ever going to figure it out, is to just go after it and do it. And like I said, it definitely got easier over the course of a couple days. So let me get out of the sun here a minute, and we'll probably just call this one good. Moldboard plowing 2023 at IP Farms is in the books. I cannot believe it. It is September the 16th. I never would have dreamed in a million years that it would go this smooth as far as being done this quick. It's a blessing, really, honestly. Don't roast me too bad. I've got a lot to learn about plowing, I know. Some of it is, well, a lot of it is operator inexperience. Some of it is the plow parts I didn't replace, and some of it is the fact that we don't have any kind of water or weight on the 1086, and there's a couple places that it pulled hard and spun me out, and that creates all kinds of issues. But I got some fine tuning to do on the plow at some point. I just was in a hurry and didn't want to go through that all again. I just want to put it in the ground, and I don't think there's anything bad wrong. So hopefully you enjoyed the drone footage. I don't want to bore you guys too much with the drone stuff or the same old project, but the plowing now is finished, so we won't have to worry about that. Might have a surprise coming when it comes time to disc and offset, so I'll definitely get that on video. If not, if it doesn't work out, no big deal, but definitely stay tuned for that. So we're gonna let this lay for a while. I got Dad's tractor in the shop doing some work on it, so probably see a video on that. I'm not sure what else will be in between, but really appreciate everything, guys. Monumental moment here to have these fields turned under finally. That's what we set out to do 3 years ago, and I'll be even more tickled next year when I see some crops growing. May not be the best, may not be a bumper crop, and may not be the best in the world. We're going to have something growing kind of like we did the oats, and I'll be better prepared. So if any of you is interested in any merchandise, put a link in the description. IP Farms, Mad Moose Designs, hats, shirts, and decals. Really appreciate everything, guys. Thank you for all the support. Continue to follow along the journey with me. We'll see what happens over the next couple of days. Until then, thank you.